Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing something different. I'm actually at a dry bar hair salon that just opened in Tampa Bay. So I'm just going to show you guys how it is inside the hair salon because it's my first time too. So I'm just gonna take you on a mini tour. And also, if this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button too so you don't miss my next video. So if you want to see how it is at the hair salon, make sure to keep watching. So I haven't eaten anything yet, so before the event I'm just gonna grab something real quick. So I got some wonton soup. So today, look, we are going to do the Cosmo tie, which is a combination of the Cosmo and the Mai Tai look. And it's going to be a curl like this with a straight end.
Make sure we have super clean hair to make sure the roll lasts. Okay?
Sounds good.
Is warm water okay?
Yes.
This one right here. What was that? It's this one right here. Oh yeah. And I'm just going to use a little oil on your ends, okay?
Cosmo tie style. I really like it. It's go really well with the dress. I want to do something like beachy wave, but this one is very similar but more modern beachy wave. Go really well with the dress. It's so